You are the loudest chewer ever.
You're one to talk, dude.
Like,
you really are one to
You
talk.
sound like a fucking cow, dude.
Every time when we're eating, next to me like,
It's fucking bullshit.
vacuum next to
You
me.
a liar.
I ain't a liar. Stabilize.
Stabilize.
Yeah. Hey, what is up?
What up,
Yo.
my island people? Wagwan. Run them out. Blow fire. Blow, blow, blow. Shutters are back. Rock. No? Sorry.
No.
Welcome to part 2 of reading your comments. Because we love reading comments. It's hilarious. So many people have a lot of funny shit to say. And a lot of beautiful, encouraging, inspirational words like, good job.
And
That's all we need.
and nice.
That's all we need. That's what keeps us going, you know. doing it for the fans, you know, doing it for the people. Doing it to make a difference.
You sing from crying in the night.
What? So we're gonna read some more of your comments, which is it's a ball to do. However, today I'm gonna force Timmy to read everything, including names, with a really, really horrible English accent.
Sure, mate.
There you go. Went Australian there on us, but okay.
Sure,
Right,
mate.
Hillary says, "Keep it up, guys." That's really up to us. I mean, when you get older, you know, your body starts to like let go. So, you know, nature takes its course.
Well, you know, gotta keep it up. No,
Okay,
but, you know, you gotta keep it up, right?
There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Yeah.
apparently he's going with Australian.
Your parents are, yeah.
Shout out to Curacao Life Urban again. He's always supporting us. He
This
says,
one's from the best of
"Hey,
Maya.
I was busy.
Oh,
You.
well, this one's from the No, you good. I'm sorry, mate. I'm sorry.
Curacao Life Urban Exploration says, Master Atrobe, we try.
This one's another one from Curacao Life Urban. Something.
Yeah.
Great. Yeah. Thank you. Appreciate the words.
Our good homie Skip Rink, Skippy the man himself.
Skip.
He says, dudes, I made this 10 years ago. I got a 4 for it. We're sorry. I guess he beat us to it, okay.
Are guineas? Are you guineas? Whatever.
Argenis?
Nice. Yeah.
Is it Argenis or Donias?
No, just are guineas.
I wonder which one it is. If it's Argenis Donias, I know that dude. We used to go to B class together. Okay, this one, Timmy, you gotta read like vol 8, like in one stop without even stopping. Chalifrus13. Okay, we read the whole thing without like pausing.
Stabilizer kung size was the kawa trot kubustan trapa is actually one hurt last time I went to Curacao and I was like, who came up with that? Pero bosa kaba, dale power, bosa. Bonds kinda bye. I'm looking forward to the upcoming videos. Charlie out.
We're looking forward to more of your comments
Yeah.
because this is comedy gold right
It
here.
makes me laugh.
Trapa. Like trapa means to step on. Like step on.
Christopher Gonzalez, it's moist. Ha 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 ha.
Mitch Deftic says, subscribe Ribe YouTube channel. Keep it up. You will keep it up, goddammit. You will do our damn best.
One nation gonna hold me back.
Pitor90 says, woo! Fuck! Mabay sold yung boat right by Coco Yoko. He got the joke.
Oh.
Mags F says that it sounds like Creole from Cape Verde. Maybe it does. I've never been there. Have you
neither.
ventured over there?
No, I have
Maybe
not.
we should go find out. Sponsor us.
Yeah. Nah, Brianna Scanlon, I really appreciate your channel. I chose your country as a research project for my speech class. Your videos have helped me with the language aspect a bit.
That's so sweet.
We love you.
Just for you, we're gonna make more videos about Pavimento, Spain stuff. We're gonna get some professionals in here because we're making a big mock-up of it.
Probably, yeah.
Patrick S says, when I lived in Paramaribo, of Paramaribo,
Oh.
I heard many double syllables, Saranang, Kampang, words very familiar to those in Curacao.
Did you say Kung Pao?
Researchers in linguistics have tracement to language of Cape Verde Islands. Cape Verde keeps coming up, so maybe we should do some goddamn research and find out if it's true.
And get a sponsor.
Yes! Thank you, Patrick S., for your intellectual comment.
Jordan Der Meer, awesomeness at its
Shout out to Jordan.
best. Hashtag proud jullie Curaçao.
Ambo.
Hold on.
Signing out. Robert A. Clatode. I'm sorry if I butchered your name. He says, I am Jamaican. I can roll with us repeating syllables, man. No, he actually just wrote it that. There's no actual.
You have an app for making everything racist.
No, but he says I'm from Jamaica.
I know. You have an app for making everything racist.
It's not racist if it's for comedy. I love Jamaica. Y'all make the best chicken.
Amelia Backs. Or Bix. Backs. Di kong. Or can make it by back. Pero dank. Bong video. Which means, why? Now I want to go back. But think. Good video.
On the video of us trying to get Chino Antiano in Den Haag and Rotterdam, chalifrus always there. Chalifrus, dude. Oh, chalifrus, stabilize, dude. Chalifrus stays, trap.
Yeah.
He says, next time, try Den Haag. Maybe we will.
Maybe we should.
Maybe we should.
We should.
Exceed Orbit, which tries to be all incognito, but we all know you're goddamn Mitch. Sneaky ass. He says, yeah, let's go home indeed. No, you get your ass over here. Yeah.
Now, another Exceed Orbit comment on Stobaga, how to make Galinha Stoba. He says, 2 whole cups? Yes, 2 whole cups. You listen to Chris.
I guess some of these comments need the context, but you know, whatever. We're going with flow. It's all natural. We in line.
Nope.
All natural. Oh,
It's rated PG.
You're always shirtless.